is here, so I feel so grateful for laging leading the team sa napakaraming press cons na ginawa namin for this is the last for 2016. So salamat naman na makapagpahinga naman sa Pasko. Buong pagmamalaki namin ihandog sa inyo ang Langit Lupa kasama ng aming staff, ang aming creative team, kasama ng aming cast, everybody. We believe that yung message ng Langit Lupa ay mga mensaheng hindi lang importante ngayon, kundi importante sa mahabang panahon. So thank you for coming and thank you for supporting us all, not just for this show but all throughout 2016. Thank you po.
Ayan, palapakan natin the cast of Langit Lupa. Let's have a group photo again. Let's have a cast photo. We request everyone to, the cast to stand up for a cast photo. Kasi I'm sure